Here's where to find files downloaded on your Android mobile device. So maybe you've downloaded a file from the browser or something else, and you're trying to find it. So here's what to do. First, you want to go to the file manager and then look in this recent list. Now, if you can't see your file in here, what you can do is go to the storage section and then scroll down till you see a download folder, which is this one. Now you want to click on it and search for the app or the file. For example, if you downloaded it from browser, you want to go to the browser folder. You can also search outside by scrolling down, trying to find the file that you have downloaded if you recognize the name. And it should be generally in the internal storage of the device under the download folder or inside the download folder. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.